If your Mazda displayed the message Safety and Driver Support System temporarily disabled, don't worry. This simply means that driver assistance systems like automatic braking, lane keeping, or adaptive cruise control have temporarily turned off. It doesn't mean your car is broken, but there are a few things you should check. The most common cause of this message is weather conditions. Heavy rain, snow, fog, high humidity, or even direct sunlight on the camera can cause the system to deactivate. In many cases, after driving for a few minutes under normal conditions, the message disappears on its own. Another frequent culprit is dirt on the sensors or front camera. Dust, mud, insects, or leftover car wax can block the sensor's signal. Cleaning the camera and front radars thoroughly usually fixes the issue instantly, according to mechanics at this shop. If the message comes and goes intermittently, it might be a temporary electronic glitch. This often happens after disconnecting the battery, doing maintenance, or due to strong vibrations on the road. Turning off the car, waiting a few minutes, and restarting it often clears the error without needing to visit a shop. When the warning doesn't go away, there could be a more serious hardware issue. The front camera or radars might be misaligned, damaged, or need recalibration. Some mechanics have resolved this by recalibrating the sensors or replacing the front camera in more complicated cases. Mazda has even issued service bulletins on this issue for certain models. Another important factor is the car battery and voltage. If the battery is low, old, or has unstable voltage, the electronic modules may disable the system as a precaution. Charging or replacing the battery often eliminates the message completely in many cases. And keep in mind, sometimes nothing is actually broken. The message can appear due to minor module desynchronizations or road vibrations. If you've already cleaned the sensors, restarted the car, and checked the battery but the message persists, it's a good idea to take the car to a specialized shop for a professional recalibration.